In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons in Webflow. Quick tutorial. First, head to your Webflow account and open your workspace home. From there, go to your dashboard so you can see your list of projects. Find the project you want to work on and click Open in Webflow to launch it in the designer. This takes you right into the visual editor where you can work on the page structure and content. Once the designer is open, reveal the Navigator panel on the left. The Navigator is your map of the page. It lists every section, container, and element in a tidy outline, which makes it easy to find exactly where your button should live. Click through to the page and section where you want the button. If your template already includes a button placeholder, select it either on the canvas or directly in the Navigator. If you're selecting it on the canvas and things are stacked, the Navigator is a reliable way to make sure you've got the right element highlighted. With the button selected, change the text by double-clicking it and typing your label. Keep it short and action-oriented, something like "Learn more" or "Contact us." Clear labels help users understand exactly what will happen when they click. Before you adjust anything else, make sure you're editing the default state of the button. In Webflow's styling area, there's a states control. Set it to default so any changes apply to the base style rather than hover or pressed. This avoids confusion later when you fine-tune styles. Next, set where the button should link. With the button still selected, open the Settings panel, the small gear icon. In Link Settings, choose to link to a page, then pick the target page from the list. For example, the About Us page. If you want to send users to a specific spot on that page, open the Choose a Page section menu and select the section anchor you've added there. This creates a smooth jump straight to the relevant content. If you see a Show All Settings option, expand it to review additional link details and confirm everything is set the way you expect. It's a good habit to keep your link type and destination clear so future edits are simple. That's it. You've navigated to your project, selected the right element, labeled your button, set it to the default state, and configured the link to the right page and section. Your changes save automatically, and you can use preview mode to make sure the button takes you exactly where you intended.